Sure. I saw a post from this other gentleman. I think his name is Robert, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, I know the guy. But I can't respond to that guy. Personal reasons, there's no way I can argue with that guy. Yes, he's telling the truth. Global was paid. He's telling the truth. Even the damages were paid. That's true. But I'm not here for that, you know. I was aware that this day will come. Like second week, maybe on the show, I decided to love myself and take a decision, you know. I think it was after, just after 2 weeks, spending time with the cast. You know the cast, right? You know her. I won't mention the name right now. I realized that I need to make a choice. I need to create boundaries. And I stood up and I went straight and update the mother of my kids. Create boundaries. Tell her how I feel about that cast. No, I did. I told her how I feel about Nelisa. Let me say it. I told her how I feel about Nelisa. And in that way, I was creating boundaries. I was choosing myself. You know, I had to choose myself. I had to be selfish. I think I really have a soft spot for the mother of my kids, where like I didn't even choose myself for many years, you know. And after saying whatever that I said, creating boundaries, tell her how I feel about Nelisa and everything, you know, because first and second week, yes, I was talking to my ex. That's true. I was talking to her, you know. But here's the catch. After telling her whatever that I told her, I was given two options. Whether I leave whatever that I'm doing on the show, or I will be exposed, you know. I had to sit for minutes, thinking about that. That was big, because I'm going to be embarrassed on social media and on national TV and whatsoever, because I was told that you'll be exposed, bro. You'll be exposed big time, you know. And then I had to make a choice, you know. And I took a decision to say, you know what, whether you go to the show, you are right to production and tell whatsoever, there's no way I'll lose this person. There's no way. I think previously I lost good people, but this one, I don't know, I'm getting the strength and the courage to say I'm risking everything for her. And I have to take that decision and stand by it. Even today, I'm still sticking to my decision. People can expose me the way they want, share pictures, whatsoever, go everywhere. I know this is the right person that I've been waiting for the rest of my life. And I'm not going to change the decision unless if Yana should change, you know. But I'm not saying that I'll recommit with her or whatsoever. I don't know. You must keep on watching the show. But I was aware that this day will come where I'll be exposed everywhere. But I didn't mind, because of I can be exposed wherever. You guys will talk on social media and whatsoever and say whatever that you want to say. But if I'm happy with this person, I rather risk everything, reputation, whatsoever, be called all sort of names. But I'm dying for this one. I'm risking everything for this person. And even today, I'm saying I'm still going to risk everything for this person.
Hi, Bazalabamzito. Welcome to Umkosi Nomagatsheni. I am Umagatsheni. That is Themba from season 2 of Married at First Time. Yes, Musanti, guys. So we know that Themba is married to Unelisa. You're someone. Abang kuthiwa umuntu unenhliziyo enhle. Khulunywa ngale sisi le. makuthiwa umuntu ubhabli khulunywa ngale sisi lo makuthiwa umfazi ohlonipha umyeni wakhe and who understand umyeni wakhe khuluma ngale sisi lo and makuthiwa someone ongene to this show looking for love and looking for umshado khulunywa ngale sisi lo she didn't just write just because she wants to be famous and relevant. No, she wrote to the show just because she believed in the show and she did get love le ayifunayo and she knew ukuthi this journey won't be easy, but she's willing to work on it because you could see ukuthi even if lezi zinto bebazisho ngoThemba the red flags anazo ubhuti bekasho ukuthi no, we'll fix them, everything will fix them. So guys, we know that on the next episode, on the next episode of Married at First Sight, which is the ex-wife, yes, because Pat Lobola has been paid, is the ex-wife and also baby mama Katemba. We to show me, like, guys, I've seen a lot of people they're saying we expose Utemba, but for me, it's like just expose yena because bokungcono singamazi singazi nobuso bakhe knowing nothing about the relationship yabo sazi nje ukuthi uThemba went there, she called. I think even the call, it was unnecessary ukuthi how can you call the production while you are married to Themba? Why didn't you go to family Themba and address this issue? Why didn't you call Themba and address the thing? It's giving I don't want to be damned. It's giving like you know this man and you know maso unkosikazi indoda maseyithi ayisamfuni. It's giving that, guys. I really don't understand ukuthi why Sponono will do that. I don't understand why Sponono will go to an stand ukuthi ayilapha because already uThemba sakashada, even if uThemba ngabuyela kuye whatever acolisa, but at the end of the day uThemba uyile kule nto le, as much as nangathi uThemba mhlambe 130 fame yene whatever thing yena ngayisho, but egcineni uThemba now is confirming ukuthi I love uNelisa, I respect this, and I've always chose you, but this time I'm choosing this woman, of which I think that's what the men do. So I'm not looking forward to the next episode of Married at First Sight because Utemba Sega released a statement and we know where Utemba and Nelisa stand now. We know that Utemba and Nelisa, they are happily married. Guys, they are happily married. Gibo Nelisa, they truly love Utemba and Gibo Utemba, they accepted and love Nelisa. And I don't understand if Utemba was really married to this lady, why go bamgelu Nelisa and Nelisa? It's giving very relationship and was toxic. It's giving very and when as a baby mama knowing ukuthi this guy love abantwana bakhe will use abantwana as a weapon ukuthi umlomputi abuye kuwe. That is not how things are done, guys. Let's just be honest. Mara ke sizobona on the next episode. Mina I do not think ukuthi uSponono expose uThemba nanoma ngani. No, uzothini ungilobolile. The show it was never meant ukuthi ayibafuni abantu abangakazi bashada before. They are looking for people who are looking for marriage. It doesn't say if you have been married before you are not wanted there. So mhlambe yes, I've tried ubushado ngendlela yami ngasifunela unkosikazi. I failed. Now I'm expecting this aspect. These people that ama-career wabo abhezi ukuthi bakhulisa imishado ukuthi bangifunele lo muntu ozoba umuntu wami oqotho, you get. But ke sizobona on the next episode ukuthi uzothini uSponono on her side of the story, but I'm not looking forward to it nje ukuzihlaza. I don't know ukuthi wayekwenzile and I don't know ukuthi if watshela abangani bakhe and people who are close to her ba-advise bathini, but we do know bakhona abakhosikazi afana noSponono, guys. That is all for now. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and hit that notification button. Ngithanda ukuya nomoya.